Hey guys, Ride Pro back again, another bike for sale. Today we have a 2014 Vespa scooter. This is the 300, it's the GTS 300i.e. It's a bluish silver color, I'm not quite sure what to call it. Check out the pictures down below so you can see different angles in the sun. Really nice color. This bike's in excellent condition. Seat's in great shape. There's absolutely no damage on this thing. I looked everywhere. Runs great. Good tires. It only has 1,270 miles on it. 1,270 miles. A one-owner machine. Got a little windshield on it. I'll tell you, for a scooter, this bike is really peppy. It moves quite well. I was a little surprised. I've been on other scooters and naturally they're pretty slow. This thing has a lot of power. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. Starts right up. It's got a storage compartment here. A perfect commuter bike. If you're looking to just get around town, pick up some groceries, load it up in there. This is the gas fill. Not much else I can say about this one. It's really, really clean. 1,270 miles. Any questions, please give us a call. We're at 813-615-1700. Or check us out on our website, www.myridepro.com. Also, if you're looking to have this bike shipped, please give us a call. Give us your zip code. We'll get you a discounted shipping rate. And we can get this thing shipped right to your house. We ship out of here a couple times a week. So it's really not a big deal. Not that expensive. Some nice backrest, passenger backrest. I'm sorry, passenger footrest there. It's got this little trunk, cargo rack here. It's pretty nice. Overall, excellent bike, excellent condition. If you're looking for one of these, or you're in the market for a scooter, it's absolutely a great option. There it is, Vespa GTS 300i.e. And again, it's a 2014 model. Thanks for watching.